All right, TikTok, you asked for it. Everybody said it's too small. Everybody said it's too thin. Everybody said it's gonna burn up. Well, guess what? We're gonna find out. Today we're gonna do a torture test on the little hobo camping stove. And yes, I know the base is made of wood, and yes, I know. Go ahead, throw rocks. Throw those stones and tell me how crappy it is. That's the point. It's not meant to last, and we're gonna find out what it's gonna take to make it not last. Just a little quick update from yesterday. Here's the connection from the main burn body to my stovepipe. That was made with JB Weld steel stick. This is the putty that you mix together and then stick it to stuff. It did pretty good at first, but then once it started getting real hot, it kind of charred, and you can see there's gaps. It separated a little bit, but it's on there. Like, it's not, I can move the whole stove, so it didn't turn into dust. And then, you know, as everybody said, put something in there, put sand, put cement, put a brick. Well, this is some old Portland cement that I had lying around, and obviously I'm not going to mix it and then cement it in there and wait for it to dry. We're not that serious about this test, all right? It's just something to play around with. It's just a fun project. But now I got to split some wood, and we're going to get this thing hot. Here we go. Got some wood to start. It is 12:31, and we are lighting the fire. If it will light, there it goes. Skipping ahead. It is now 12:36, 5 minutes has passed, we got a fire established, and I'm finding that it's not easy to fit a lot in here. You fit too much in here, you start to choke it off. That might change as I get a better coal base established, but predictions, I think it's just going to get too hot, and it's just going to fold under its own weight. It's just going to collapse under those legs and just fold in half rather than burn through before anything. But we'll see what happens. Skip ahead. 12:45, time for another update, and what has changed? Yeah, I can only pack so much in this box before I just start to choke it off. So there's a limit to the, you know, savagery I can put this thing through. But you can see what's going on. We've got a lot of bluing there, a lot of changing color. I'm sure if it was dark, this would probably be kind of orange. I can feel the heat coming off of that. You know, I can only hold my hand here for a good couple minutes before it starts to get too hot. The back is also bluing, but with the addition of the sand, I can hold my hand right underneath it, no problem. It's actually cool right here. So the plywood is not catching on fire thanks to that sand, that old cement gravel that I put in the bottom. We'll check again in a little bit. It is now 12:55. You're going to have to like and follow for part 2, but look at that. She is red hot. You can see the heat, especially at the top. You look at the top.